Welcome to the Future Leverage Ultimate Masterclass. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to dive deep into the 8 pillars of AI leverage. This isn't just about tools, it's about shifting your entire strategy for the digital era. Most people are living in a state of fear. They scroll through headlines about automation, job losses, and economic shifts every day. But fear is a reaction, not a strategy. We need to move beyond it. They see robots getting smarter every month and worry that their value is being erased. But your value isn't disappearing, it's evolving. The tools are just changing the canvas.
But here's the uncomfortable truth you need to hear. AI is not the real threat. The real threat is staying average in a world that is upgrading. If you don't evolve, you become obsolete.
Let's get something clear. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces tasks. Think about the mundane, repetitive, and low-value work that fills your day. That is the target for AI. And when those tasks are handled by machine intelligence, it creates a massive opportunity for human intelligence to step up and lead. This is where you reclaim your time.
Because when AI handles the execution, you can finally focus on what truly matters: high-level thinking, strategic planning, and building the systems that will scale your impact.
The first way to win is using AI as a productivity multiplier. Most people use it like a search engine, asking questions and getting answers. But that is barely scratching the surface.
Smart people treat AI like a world-class executive assistant. Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, and having your entire day's research, outlines, and drafts ready in minutes.
What used to take hours now takes minutes. If AI saves you 10 hours a week, that's not free time to waste. That is pure leverage. That is 10 extra hours of strategic growth. The second way to use AI is as a skill accelerator. In this economy, your income is directly tied to the value of your skills. The faster you learn, the faster you earn.
You can ask AI to explain complex concepts simply, create personalized learning plans, and practice negotiations in a safe environment. You can compress 6 months of learning into 6 weeks. In the next few years, the biggest advantage won't be innate talent. It will be your adaptation speed. The ability to learn and pivot with the help of machine intelligence is the ultimate edge.
The third way, and this is where it gets powerful, is to use AI as a business partner. Not just a tool you use occasionally, but a strategic partner in your decision-making process. Use it to validate business ideas before launching. Analyze competitors instantly, generate marketing angles, and automate customer communication. AI allows you to build systems.
Systems create leverage. Leverage creates freedom. And freedom is the foundation upon which wealth is built. Stop working inside your job and start building the systems that run it.
But we must be realistic. AI will not magically make you rich. It is simply a multiplier of who you already are. If you are disorganized, it makes you faster at being disorganized.
If you lack direction, AI won't give you vision. You must bring the foundation. AI is a multiplier, and multipliers make strong foundations stronger. Think strategically first.
In 5 years, there will be 2 groups of people: those who used AI to build massive leverage and those who ignored it. The gap between them will be a chasm.
AI users will launch faster and automate intelligently, but the real goal is digital assets. Once you build them, you're no longer trading time for money. You are building ownership.
Ownership is what wins in the long term. It is the only path to true scale and sustainable wealth in the AI economy. It's time to stop renting your time and start owning your assets. The real question isn't, will AI replace me? The real question is, how can I use AI to replace 80% of my effort so I can focus on the 20% that creates results?
The future belongs to those who multiply themselves digitally, replace the effort that doesn't move the needle, and focus on the massive impact. This is how you win the game.
If you want to stay ahead in this new AI economy, subscribe to Future Leverage. We break down AI, money, and digital leverage every single week to keep you prepared.
The future rewards the prepared. Be one of them. Welcome to the era of Future Leverage. Let's build your future together starting today. Subscribe and let's win.